In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop receiving WhatsApp messages from someone without blocking them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up WhatsApp app. Then let's say I want to stop getting notifications about messages from that particular user. In this case, all we have to do is just long press at a conversation with that user, then select mute, and here we can mute notifications including messages notifications and WhatsApp calls notifications for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. I'm just gonna select always now. As you can see, now this conversation is marked to be this crossed out bell icon, which means that now all the notifications from that particular users are muted now. And then if let's say we want to hide that conversation from our chats list, we can easily do so as well. To do that, just swipe to the left and then hit archive. What that will do, that will move this conversation to archived. If we get messages or phone call from that user, we won't get any notifications about that. However, if we would like to continue messaging with that user later on, we can always go to archived, and that's where we can easily find that conversation. We can get into it, we can send here a message or read messages from that user here. Also, if we change our mind, we can unarchive that conversation in the same way. And also, if we would like to do so, we can easily unmute that user. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.